Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessie and today I'm going to show you how I do my monthly meal planning. So come along with me and I'll show you what I do. So the first thing that I do is probably the same thing that everyone does, and it's go on my Pinterest and print out any recipes that I want to try this month or next month. And I'm kind of primarily focusing on the Instant Pot because I just got one over the summer and I'm trying to learn how to use it and do different things with it. So I'm going to be printing out a couple recipes off of Pinterest for the Instant Pot.
I will link all the recipes that I'm printing out for you guys to try out if you like. I actually like printing out the recipes and putting them in a binder. That way my phone doesn't get all sticky and gross when I'm trying to do the recipes, and it's much easier to read. I just find it is so much better to like print it out and put it in a binder. Like print out the recipes that I want to use this month. I just take this monthly calendar, Ray Dunn of course, because I'm obsessed. And the fact that I like that it's just monthly, there's no weekly in there. It's like slim, it fits into my binder. So yeah, I just kind of go through and check on my phone and see if I have any events or anything coming up. And I have bingo that I volunteer for. I don't play bingo, even though I should. There's like $1,000 winners. I have bingo that I volunteer for the school on a Saturday night. So I'm not cooking dinner that night. They feed us and the kids will get pizza or something. And then we always go out to eat on Saturdays. So, and then I also have where I'm going grocery shopping. I go grocery shopping every 2 weeks. And since I'm going to my parents for Thanksgiving, I don't need to cook anything there. And I'm gonna go ahead and put Thanksgiving leftovers. Horrible handwriting. I always do my new recipes that I'm trying out on Sundays. So I already have the jambalaya that my husband requested, and I'm doing a pork chop recipe. I'm doing a Philly cheesesteak recipe. Yeah, I spelled that wrong. Can't see. And probably 3 days of Thanksgiving leftovers. I'm going to want to do something different. So I also have this sausage penne recipe that we tried last month that is easy and really delicious. So we're going to try that. So yeah, now here's the fun part, is my kids always like to make their own pizza. So we do pizzas once a week. And sometimes we just do a frozen. I mean, we're all human. We all do frozen pizzas once in a while. But they like to make their own pizza, so I always just let them do it once a week because they enjoy it. And we occasionally like to do breakfast for dinner. Like during the week, I like to do super easy dinners. So during November, my daughter is doing band practice and art club after school on Thursday. And my son also does weightlifting after school on Thursday. So we're probably going to just do our pizzas then to make my life easier. Mondays, we usually have leftovers, so I just assume we are, and if we don't, then I'll just do something easy like breakfast for dinner or something like very chill. I don't want to like plan to do a big meal on these days because we usually do have leftovers. And we always love a Taco Tuesday. Always means we have leftovers on those days. A breakfast for dinner. Which usually means bacon, eggs, and those potato home fries. Because we wake up so early and we have a lot going on. So Taco Tuesday, pizza, leftovers, breakfast for dinner, pizza, Thanksgiving. Grocery shopping, I like to do a rotisserie chicken and a salad. And I'm gonna do a shepherd's pie because I meant to do that 2 weeks ago and we never did. which is like ground hamburger with, I do brown gravy, and you put that on the bottom of the pan, and then you add corn or other kinds of vegetables like peas or even mixed veggies, and you put that over top, and then you put on top of that a layer of mashed potatoes and then cheese, and then you bake it for like 30 minutes. It's so good and easy. And rotisserie chicken and salad. So now I have my whole month planned out of what we're gonna eat. If I have something that pops up, or if the kids find something in the freezer and they're like, oh, I'd rather have that, then we do that. But I like to plan the whole month, that way I know what we're doing. I also have this calendar that I stick on my refrigerator so my kids can know like what's for dinner, because I hate that question, what's for dinner? So now they can just go look and see what's up, and I kind of do it for a couple weeks in advance so they can have a heads up of exactly what's going on. And I gotta say, this was delicious, Instant Pot potato corn chowder. I'm still eating the leftovers from that. It was so good.
So I hope this video was somewhat informative, or at least gives you a glimpse into how I do things. I'm all for like everyone trying to figure out what's best for their family. If it's cooking super healthy, good for you. If it's just trying to get through the week, good for you. That's me, just trying to get through the week every week. During the week is kind of stressful, trying to get the house straight, cooking, dealing with two active kids and their activities after school and all that. So
if you like this video, please like and subscribe. I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.